Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be setting up a Fujitsu scanner. This is an Fi-7460. Hook up to a laptop so we can scan picture or regular document. To use a Windows computer, plug the power adapter into the scanner. Connect the USB cable. Power on the scanner. Run the installer you downloaded. Select Fi-7460, then click Installation Recommendation. Click Next, tick the User Agreement checkbox, and then click Next. Click Install. At this point, it'll just take a few moments to install the software. Launch the software from the desktop or Start menu. On the top toolbar, click Configure Profile. Administrator tool, you can remove sample profile. Click plus icon. Give the profile a clear name. Choose the scanner connected. Set scanning preferences. Select output file format to PDF. Set save destination. Thanks for watching.